Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is a convection oven using the natural gas. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. Entire length of the unit is about like 38 inches wide. For the major bodies, about like 30.5 inches deep. As we can see the front, they do have a handlebars. So for these parts, it is about like 3 inches deep. And also the height of the units, it is about like 29 and 1/4 inches tall. So basically the units can be stackable. They can put the 2 layers, like 2 units, one by one. And you can prepare with the lights or any feet or wheels, like casters. You can get accessories from us too. And so for the units operations, we can see on the side, they do having the timers right here and the indicator lights showing the powers and the heating workings. And also they have a control for the fan, and they have a cooling fan running. And also they do have a lights coming inside. And the temperatures, they're operating from the 150 Fahrenheit to the 500 Fahrenheit. And looking the side of the units, we can see they do have a brand's name and the manufacturer information, all the car sheet details, also the CSA sanitation stickers on the side too. But looking the behind of the units, we're having the pipe connections and also have a power cord. And this one is actually for the motor fan to running. And for this part space, it is about like 11 and 1/4 inches deep. And for this cover, the height, it is about like 12.5 inches tall. And also the manufacturers, they give you the manual books for this one. They give you all the operating informations, and also having a converter case if you need using the liquid proppants. And they do have another additional accessories. This one can mount at the behind of the units. At this side, you can just connect with all the convection, the hood systems from this side. And when we look in the inner side, we can just pull it out. They have a couple of racks inside. The height is adjustable. So the dimension for the inner side is about like 21 inches deep and 28 inches wide. Clearance access height is about like 19 and 3/4 inches. Now looking the behind of the units, we can see the big air circling fans for working preparations, and also they do having the lights, 2 lights up and down. And when you close the door, you need to close the left side first because they have hinge lockers here, and close the right one. And so this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.